Hello guys, do you know that Mbaitoli has the worst road in this Imo state? In all the local governments, Mbaitoli have the worst road. So guys, this is Mbaitoli road from Owerri West. I will be starting from here in Orogwe in Owerri West, coming down to Mbaitoli to show you how the road looks like. This is Owerri West now, coming to Mbaitoli. So stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Please make sure you do share this video and like and comment. So guys, this is along Orogwe in Owerri West, coming down to Mbaitoli. You see how the road looks like? You see how the road is clean? Then stay tuned, watch this video to the end. You will see how Mbaitoli road is and how Owerri West road is. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. This is along Owerri West coming to Mbaitoli. After there, we pass the bridge along that road coming to Mbaitoli. So guys, this side is still Owerri West. It's not part of Mbaitoli. And there is a place they call Ohi. That's the place that we are going to bust out. So guys, do you know that today I made the video is the day I know that Ohi is in Mbaitoli. I thought Ohi is in Owerri, maybe Owerri North or Owerri West. But guys, now we are in still Orogwe side. Here now you see this St. Philip's Church, Anglican Church in Orogwe. I can say this side is Orogwe. So guys, we are still going down to Mbaitoli side. So stay tuned. So let's stay going. This side now leading to Mbaitoli. So this is how the road here look like. This is how this side look like. We are going down to Mbaitoli. So we bus out at Ohi in Mbaitoli. Starting from this side, we bus out at Ohi in Mbaitoli. So guys, just stay tuned. Let me take you on this road vlog to show you how this place is. If you have passed this road before, make sure you do like and subscribe. Make sure you do comment. Tell us when and last you passed it. This is recent video. It's not a old video. This is recent. This is how the road is. So we are heading to Ohi now. It's like here now is Ohi. This side now is Ohi. You can see the road has spoiled. The road have really spoiled here. The road have already spoiled. Even I saw some men, they are at work, they are walking. So they are pouring stone on the road. Here is very, very bad. So please, government officials, if you can see this video, Mbaitoli, please don't have road. We don't even have any road in Mbaitoli. You see how here is? There's a lot of stones inside that place. You see the guys that is walking, men at work here. You see the road this side now leading to Ohi junction. So this place now is Ohi in Mbaitoli. You see the difference starting from the first place I started the video. You see that place is Owerri West, that their road is good. Well, immediately we enter in Mbaitoli to tell you that Mbaitoli roads are mixed up. Mixed up. So guys, this is Ohi. This place now is Ohi. There's no road in Mbaitoli. If you go to Mbiri, there's no road. If you go to Ogwa, there's no road. If you go to Orodo side, there's no road. If you go to many places in Mbaitoli, there is no road. Oba zone, no road. That's Mbiri. So guys, please make sure you do like this video, share it, so that it will reach more people to see. Maybe the government will see it and see what they can do for us. So guys, this is Ohi. This is Ohi. Now we are heading to Ohi Junction. We're heading to Ohi Junction to show you how this place is. You can see everywhere is messed up. Everywhere is messed up. And this is a major road. This is a major road that links to Owerri West, Orogwe Junction in Owerri West. You see, Mbaitoli don't have any access good road. Everywhere is messed up. Everywhere. That's why we don't have any any company. That's why we don't have any good business going on in Mbitoli, because there's no road, there's no access road for all those kind of business, all those kind of things. You see everywhere messed up. So please, 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 government, please help Mbitoli. There's no road. If you have watched this far, thank you for staying tuned, and please make sure you do share this video. See you in my next video. I will be posting. Here now is Ohi. Here now is Ohi Junction. You see, the only road that Mbitoli can be proud of or can be boast of is the access road from Owerri to Olo. That's the federal road, but individual inside no road.